Long, long ago, in a world of traditional programming languages, there was a young programmer named Guido van Rossum. Guido loved programming and spent most of his days writing code for his projects. However, he was not satisfied with the existing programming languages and found them to be complicated and difficult to use. Guido dreamed of a programming language that was simple, readable, and flexible. He wanted a language that could be used by everyone, from beginner programmers to experienced developers. His vision was to create a language that would be easy to learn and would also have a vast community of developers who could share their knowledge and collaborate on projects. Driven by his passion and determination, Guido started working on his programming language. He named it Python, inspired by his favorite TV show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido spent months designing and developing the language, making sure that it lived up to his vision. Finally, in 1991, Guido released the first version of Python. It was a simple, high-level, and elegant programming language that quickly gained popularity among developers. Python's syntax was easy to understand and write, making it perfect for beginners. It also had powerful features that made it suitable for complex projects. Word about Python spread like wildfire in the technology world. Developers were fascinated by its simplicity and versatility. Soon, companies like Google, NASA, and YouTube started using Python for their projects. Its popularity continued to grow, and developers all over the world started adopting it as their go-to language. One of the defining moments for Python was in 2008 when Google announced that all their internal systems would be written in Python. This endorsement from a tech giant like Google solidified Python's position as one of the leading programming languages in the world. Today, Python is used in almost every industry, from web development and artificial intelligence to data science and game development. Its popularity can also be attributed to its vast libraries and frameworks, such as Django, Pandas, and NumPy, which make it easier to build complex applications. Python's strong community has played a crucial role in its success. With thousands of active contributors and users, it has become a hub for knowledge sharing and learning. Online platforms like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit have further amplified its reach, making it one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. The simplicity and power of Python have made it the language of choice for many developers. Its ease of use has attracted a new generation of programmers, and its versatility has allowed them to build a myriad of applications. Python has also become a staple in most universities' computer science curriculums, ensuring that its popularity will continue to grow. In conclusion, Python's birth was the result of one man's vision to create a simple and powerful programming language. Its rise to popularity can be attributed to its community, versatility, and constant development. As technology continues to evolve, Python will continue to be a vital tool for developers, and its influence will only continue to grow in the future.